Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl Mercy Masblood aka the Ototaye, when they bring on our ogbonge gist all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbase mona gather your man yarn na the tori as dey hot. My people, another gbege, another wahala don burst out again yesterday when it be 26 April 2021. The unknown government, they don call out again with another attack in Oriagu in Iheme Umbano local government area of Imo State. The Okigwe South Police Area Command, na there they do wetin attack so. The police officer when dey there, na dey tell us the story say when the unknown government reach the station, they call open fire for the cause when dey the station, because the cause come outside come do wetin challenge them. That process they start to dey shoot anyhow. The unknown government come free all the old suspects when dey for detention there. They come tell them say if una like mona carry una two left leg dey go Ghana. Now own palava be that one. For this attack, 6 police officers don lost their life. They don go meet their maker. As me and you dey talk now, their family now dey cry up and down. No be small thing dey happen for Naija o. Another one officer again, as they talk now, e dey miss. They no see am again. The people carry am follow body. After they don release all the old suspects from the police station, they come set am ablaze. Ha! Naija for you. This thing don dey get bigger than wetin we think. The police spokesperson in the state when they call Olanda Ikoku come confirm this attack. Say they don command security to investigate the matter as they go. My people, don't be small thing. Every day or no government they call out with different dimension when people not even they understand. Before you know, another attack don happen again. Some police officers don lost their life. Everybody dey careful now. They pray to God, may God save your life. Oh. Alright my people, let's go straight to another ogbonge update gist. Bandits don enter Dankulo, Makuku and Kumi Hudu village in Sakaba local government area of the state. They say they just enter the whole community. They come attack everywhere. During this attack, they call kill DPO Jimo Abdullahi and Yasakai. They still do wetin kill 7 people again for Inana village. After they don dey satisfied with the damage wey they don cause for that village, the Boko Haram come still do wetin carry over 1,000 cow from this village. Say after everything, the Boko Haram come dey shoot for the village. Everybody come dey run for different direction for their safety. And so other police, they see they miss till today as me and you dey talk now, they never see them. I don't know where Nigeria army is dey. Nigeria police, when Boko Haram don take over all the whole communities when e dey north, almost all of the bandits don dey occupy everywhere. Every day we dey hear say they kill so Boko Haram, they kill so we no dey see them o. We never see any calls or anything when they show say see the people when they kill. Lie na only maths na we take dey hear am. Alright my people, let's go straight to another ogbonge update gist. My people, for Kofa Kuyabano low cost house estate in Zaria, Kaduna State, bandits don go invade the place on Sunday 25th April 2021. Say if you see the way they call out for the place with bike and they dey many, no be here o. They come enter the place, come go do wetin, go gbab some housewife dem when they want to do wetin step down. Hi, this Boko Haram sef, they enjoy o. They just dey collect people wife up and down like this. They do wetin, turn to their own. Hi Naija, see enjoyment for Boko Haram terrorists. They carry people wife up and down till they go they do their own. Ha! My people, as me and you dey talk now, they don wele dey comot. Nobody know where they dey. So the Kaduna spokesperson wey they call Mohammed Jaliji come confirm this attack, say na truth. The women when they carry, they be 4, but the security personnel come rescue 2 out of these 4 women when they carry. So he come promise say they go try their best to rescue the other women when see the Boko Haram terrorist hand. no be small thing o. Boko Haram now wan take everywhere. Na from one community to another, before dem go do wetin reach Abuja, Aso Rock. My people, now say ma do wetin call let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update gist.